Therapy is an effective means of addressing mental health challenges and can help provide an understanding of the root cause of emotional issues. Through therapy, a person can learn how to better understand and cope with their feelings and experiences, and develop self-awareness, problem-solving skills, and thought patterns that will lead to healthier responses in the future. Therapy questions are an important part of the therapy process, allowing therapists to gain a deeper understanding of their clients and what might be causing them distress. Such questions can be open-ended, where the client answers in whatever way they feel comfortable and allows the therapist to explore further. To use our free therapy questions template, follow these steps. Download our therapy questions template from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, obtain the form. Access the therapy questions template by clicking on the link in the description, where you'll be taken to the Carepatron app. Next, employ the questions. Encourage your client to provide detailed answers to each question. Depending on the complexity of the client situation, this may span multiple therapy sessions. Here are some examples of the questions in our template. What are the main challenges or issues you are currently facing in your life? How would you describe your emotional well-being at the moment? Craft a tailored treatment plan. Use the gathered information to develop an effective treatment plan tailored to your client's needs. This plan should incorporate suitable therapeutic interventions, recommended lifestyle adjustments, and any essential resources to support them in achieving their desired outcome. Maintain regular client follow-up. Continuously check in with your client to evaluate their progress and make any necessary modifications to the treatment plan. Periodically reviewing the questions ensures that the therapy remains attuned to the evolving needs of the client. Here is a sample of our therapy questions template, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our therapy questions template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.